Hi, friends. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Alice, and I'm so happy you're here.
And I'm Adam. Grab your headphones, relax, and let's learn English together. In a fun and simple way.
Today, we're talking about something exciting and maybe a little scary too. Haha, AI, artificial intelligence.
Last week, I visited a small cafe near my house. The cashier wasn't a person. It was a screen.
He told me this story, and I was like, wow. You choose your food, pay, and the robot says, thank you, have a great day.
But then, the barista, the person making coffee, smiled and said, "Don't worry, I still make the drinks. I can't taste coffee. Yet."
That moment made me think, AI is changing our world, but people still matter. Let's learn a few useful words. 1. Impact, the effect something has. AI has a big impact on our lives. 2. Improve, to make something better. AI can improve translation and learning. 3. Job, the work you do to earn money. Many people worry about jobs and AI. Okay, your turn. Repeat with us. AI has a big impact.
AI can improve learning.
People worry about jobs. Great job.
Alice, what do you like about AI?
Hmm, I like that AI helps students practice English. It's like having a friendly study partner, anytime.
True. I like that AI saves time. But sometimes, it feels too fast.
Yeah, like the idiom. It's moving at lightning speed, meaning very, very fast.
And here's another one. Double-edged sword. It means something can be good and bad at the same time.
Exactly, AI is useful. But we still need human hearts, human ideas, and human kindness.
I talked to a student from Brazil. He said, "I'm scared AI will take my job."
I told him, learn, grow, be curious. AI can help you, not replace you.
When we learn English, we don't just learn words. We learn confidence.
AI can help people.
I will keep learning.
I'm not afraid, I'm prepared. Amazing! You're doing great!
If I ever makes my dinner, I hope it knows I like extra cheese.
And I hope it doesn't burn the kitchen. Friends, remember, AI is a tool. You are the thinker, you are the creator.
Stay curious. Ask questions. Practice your English a little every day.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We're proud of you, really.
See you next time.